Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 16th of August 2021, where in just a few minutes, I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 fell by 0.6% today to close at 7,583 points, ending a run of record closes. There was plenty of earnings results out today, some good and some pretty bad. On the bourse, energy stocks were hit hardest today, as were financials. Among the large caps, the banks performed poorly. ANZ finished the day down 2.7%. That's a big fall for a major bank. While Commonwealth Bank and Westpac were both off 1.4%. The exception was NAB, which rose slightly. The big miners also struggled, with Fortescue Metals, Rio Tinto and BHP all sharply lower. BHP may have fallen further than its 1.4% today, but it confirmed a media report that it had been in talks, and maybe it still is, with Woodside Petroleum about selling its $20 billion oil and gas portfolio. No decision's been made, BHP said. Woodside's share price today responded, dropping 4.6%. Toll Road Group Transurban was a standout among the large caps today, up 1.4%, while Newcrest Mining was up 1.3%. In the earnings results, JB Hi-Fi recorded its 8th consecutive year of record profits, with high demand for appliances and consumer electronics underpinning a strong 2021 financial year. Sales have been down this financial year, though, on the back of COVID lockdowns. The group share price rose 2.4% today. BlueScope Steel announced a very big profit of $1.2 billion for the last financial year and a big dividend for shareholders as well. It also introduced a share buyback program. Its share price rose 0.6%. Sydney Airport rejected a slightly higher offer from the Sydney Aviation Alliance Consortium, saying it undervalued the company. Bendigo and Adelaide Bank's share price fell nearly 10% after announcing a more than 50% jump in cash profit on the back of stronger lending for housing and fewer bad debts. But the Victorian-based group outlined a big jump in costs, and analysts don't like big jumps in costs. Oil and gas group Beach Energy said profit fell 37% and revenue was off 10% last financial year, and there'd be further drops in production this financial year, in part due to Beach's troubled Cooper Basin Western Flanks fields. They're in northeast South Australia and southwest Queensland. Beach's share price tumbled almost 10% today. Lendlease said its profit had recovered last financial year, even though the COVID pandemic hurt the business. CEO Tony Lombardo said lockdowns were having significant impacts on global real estate markets in 2022, and it would be a challenge. Lendlease's share price fell 7.6%. On the flip side, there was some good news. In fact, there was media speculation today that A2 Milk is in the crosshairs of Swiss multinational Nestlé. A2's share price jumped more than 13% today. The Aussie dollar is buying 73.4 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 16th of August, 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.